Hello and welcome to Pandora Astrology's monthly horoscope for Taurus. I'm Julia Mijas.
And I'm Jamie Kale Miller. And hey, by the way, Taurus, if this is your sun sign, your birthday is coming. It'll be here sooner than you even know it. And if you haven't scheduled your yearly birthday reading yet, there's still time to do it before your birthday, which is the most powerful time of the year to do it. This lets you ritualize your personal New Year's intentions and affirmations and really get a good start on your year. You'll find a link for that in the description below. Well, I want to start in by talking about finance and Ceres, your asteroid goddess ruler. She is an asteroid goddess and she rules the sign of Taurus and all of the Taurian themes that we love so well, such as the life of the body and food and eating and wealth building as well. And she has you very much in a growth mode because she's traveling through your ninth house. I've probably mentioned this a time or two in recent horoscopes. Ceres is great in the ninth house. She is going to be spending the rest of the year in your ninth house. And the reason why Ceres does so well in this house is because Ceres is about abundance versus scarcity. And the ninth house is a house of beliefs and it's a house of growth. So you can grow your belief in what you deserve, which enables you to then ask for more at work or in any other places that you might need to do that if you're kind of selling yourself short or letting people, undervalue you. So she is going to go retrograde in a few months, but don't worry, any steps backward that you take can be followed by double the steps forward after she goes direct again. And I'll tell you more about that in great detail as it approaches, which is, more like later in the spring, like May. But I also want to add that Uranus traveling through your sign for 7 years, in which we're at about year 5 right now, has had you feeling ready to experiment, even perhaps, experiment with your money and open yourself to new ideas and maybe even make some changes, which we know, Taurus, you don't like to do. But, if anybody can open you up to that, it would be the planet Uranus. Jupiter is heading for your house of money. Jupiter has been in your own sign this year and from last year, which is great. That has definitely improved your valuation of yourself and made you kind of charismatic. But Jupiter is going to be leaving your sign. And when he does, he moves into your house of money, which can really help things to grow. And I'll say more about that in May when that happens. So what I'm saying to you overall about money is prepare yourself now for the changes and the growth that are coming your way a little bit later this year. And remember, slow growth is sustainable growth. And that's really the best kind, and it's your style. So, Julia, what's up with career and relationships for the Taurians out there?
Well, hi there, Taurus. We got a lot of stuff going on in your career house, especially for the first half of the month, because we have Venus and we have Mars there. Venus definitely can bring a little extra luck. She can bring a little peace. She can bring a little bit of pleasure wherever she goes. And that's nice to have her in the career house. By contrast, Mars gets you really, really, really revved up, gets you to get a lot of stuff done. But sometimes you might run into some frustrations at the same time, wherever we have Mars.
Mm.
Now, the sun is going to be in your 11th house of networks for the first 2/3 of the month. So this is a really good time to put some high quality attention on the people that help make your business work. Maybe you need to kind of go through your contact lists. Have you done enough authentic outreach at your job? Focus on your subscribers, followers, maybe your employees, or even your readers. Reach out to them and grow your audience and let them know how much you appreciate it. Pluto is edging into your 10th house now because it has moved into Aquarius, technically over a month ago. But you might be noticing that there's more of a drive happening for you in terms of career. And maybe if you're not satisfied with your career, you're thinking of making some big changes. Now, with relationships, we do have Venus in that career house, like I mentioned, until March 10th. So that's going to add that's going to add some sweetness to your business dealings, especially if any of your work involves people. It's also productive if any of your work involves design or anything beauty or aesthetically related. Now, Venus is going to move into your house of friends on March 11th. So that means that you might get some benefits from your friends in your life, or at least you're going to really enjoy spending more time with them. This is a fabulous time for asking a friend to set you up if you are single, or using your social networks to help connect you to some more dates. This house also rules the internet, so it could be a really good time for online dating as well. And if you're currently in a relationship, then you're going to want to enjoy your partner in a bigger group of people. Maybe hang out with them and your friends, for example. Well, that's all for today. If you had fun with this horoscope, then please do hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and tell your friends about us.
Find our site at pandoraastrology.com to get a reading with one of us, and find us on Patreon for workshops and classes. And we'll see you around the cosmos.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.